congratulate Angostura on its inaugural shipment of the recently launched 420 ready-to-drink beverage to Suriname and the continuation of its exports to Barbados. The House of Angostura's innovative capacity is recognized in its unique product offerings, from the best locally produced rums to its range of globally renowned and award-winning bitters. With a legacy of over 200 years in business, it is undoubtedly clear that what sets Angostura apart is the ability to consistently pivot and grow, delving beyond trends to develop fresh markets with vibrant product offerings tailored to new demographics.